Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include stability control, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2016 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, FWD, mirror memory, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, rear defrost. Come take a test drive today.